Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare folic acid versus folate. We'll explore the key distinctions between these two forms of vitamin B9, which are both essential for your health. You'll learn about their sources, how your body processes them, and why these differences matter for your overall well-being. This comparison will help you make informed decisions about your nutritional intake. Folic acid is the synthetic version of vitamin B9, widely used to fortify foods like bread and cereals, and found in many supplements. While it's effective in preventing deficiencies, your body needs to convert it into a usable form. This conversion process can vary among individuals, and some people might not metabolize it as efficiently as others, which is an important consideration. On the other hand, folate is the natural form of vitamin B9, abundant in a variety of whole foods. Think leafy green vegetables, beans, and oranges. Your body can directly use this form without needing extensive conversion, making it highly bioavailable. Consuming a diet rich in natural folate is an excellent way to ensure you're getting this vital nutrient. The main difference lies in how your body processes them. Folic acid needs to be converted, whereas natural folate is already in an active form. While both are crucial for preventing deficiencies and supporting vital bodily functions, understanding these distinctions can guide your choices. Always discuss your specific needs with a healthcare provider to determine the best approach for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.